Hey y'all, I am jumping in today because just in a few days, I have something special for you. If you want to be a peaceful parent and you don't want to yell, punish, threaten, bribe, all of those sort of old school ways of getting your kids to listen and cooperate, you need to replace it with a new set of tools, right? If you don't want to use old school discipline, we need to do peaceful discipline. So what is peaceful discipline? Whether this is new for you or you have been on this train for a while, but you need a refresher, I have a free workshop for you that's coming up. It's on Thursday, July 27th at 8 o'clock Eastern. And I would love for you to be on live, but if you can't make it live, you can catch the replay. If you sign up for it, I will send you the replay. But if you're on live, you will get to ask me questions and bring me your particular situations. We're going to go all over the difference between limits and consequences. What are the two kinds of consequences? If you don't know, you'll find out. And, how do you get that discipline in your kid's life in a peaceful way? So go to sarah.rosensweet.com/free workshop to sign up for free. I would love to see you there live, but if you can't make it live, I will send you the recording and you can check it out. So again, sarah.rosensweet.com/free workshop to come and meet me and learn all about peaceful discipline, or get a refresher if you're, not quite sure. I hear people so many times ask me, at least once a week, I'm a little confused about whether this is a limit or a consequence. And it can be tricky when you're navigating this for new, right? So I've got you. I can't wait to see you, hopefully on Thursday night, July 27th, 8 p.m., sarah.rosensweet.com, free workshop.